So, today at lunch, I used my credit card like I usually do. And because I didn't want to carry my big honkin' wallet down to the cafeteria with me, I just took my credit card and put it in my pocket. Usually when I get back to my desk, I will take it out of my pocket and put it back into my big honkin' wallet. Today I didn't do that. So I just got home and move it, asshole. You're the person or the thing I'm gonna bitch about here in a second. I'm gonna beat you. Honestly, I'm gonna skewer you. So, she's such a fucking asshole. I just got home and oh my god, I'm gonna kill her. Stop. Oh my god. I just got home and might I add, I'm allergic to her. I felt the card in my pocket, so I took it out of my pocket so I didn't leave it in there and have it go through the wash. I set it on the counter. Zoya, I really need you to move. I set it on the counter and proceeded to go into the room and change when I heard the sound of a plastic credit card falling onto the floor. So I came out here, looked on the floor, move for the credit card, and I didn't see a credit card. What I did see was this asshole in front of the refrigerator pawing at the front. So I'm assuming that she knocked it off the fucking counter onto the floor and then proceeded to bat it under the refrigerator. That's my theory. So I'm going to now attempt to try and use this metal skewer to first retrieve the credit card, and then if I am successful with that, I'll put it back in my wallet. And then if she doesn't stop acting like an asshole, I just, might skewer her with this. I am half Asian, and they do really terrible things with animals, so I hear. Yeah, so anyway, I'm joking, half, kinda. She's really getting on my fucking nerves right now. But anyway, alright, so here we go. This is ridiculous. Alright, let me change my angle so we can capture this asshole in all her goodness. Move. Zoya, I really need you to leave. Move. Oh, well, there's some dust. Fuck. Oh my god, that's gross. If there was a cat version of hockey or soccer or some shit, like air hockey, maybe it's air, it flies into the zone or whatever, this fucking asshole would be gold medalist. I hope I don't get electrocuted or some shit. Yeah, no. I swear to God, if I have to fucking, oh my god. I swear to God, if I have to fucking call to get a new credit card and I have to change my number on every account again, I'm seriously either going to skewer her or feed her to the bears or mail her to someone who wants her, because I can't do that again. I think I feel it. Move! Ah, success! Success. You are a jerk. No, go away. So, if there's a lesson to be learned here, put your credit card back in your wallet when you're done with it. Learn from my mistakes. Especially, fucker, stop it! Especially if you have an asshole cat at home. Clearly something leaked down my fridge and I need to clean that. Yeah, that's my wisdom for today. I'm gonna go put this back in my wallet. Before I go, I really think you should see my cool shoes. Because now I'm all dusty. That's not a great angle. They really don't look cute like this. I'm gonna cut that part out. Anyone want a cat? You can have her. She's a jerk. All right, bye.